Joining us now to discuss trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, so happy that you're with both of us today. And to answer this question for me, Michael Jaafar, who cares? Why is he asking questions like this? How many gallons? Who cares? I said it too loudly. I know, but honestly, for cross-examination purposes, and you go in, you get your information, you sit down, he had already talked about how many gallons, how much did it cost, and he gets up and he does it again. Is this useful?
I thought that what he was trying to do was just inflame her more and get under her skin more. Maybe that would help.
It got under my skin, so maybe it did.
You know what? I'm glad you say that, because I was very irritated to him. Two iterations ago with the same witness, but before the redirect, I was irritated about 20 minutes ago, and then he came back, and then I cringed when he asked, "Hey, you testified in this matter before, right?" I thought, what's going on? It was very irritating. I can only imagine that what he's trying to, here's what my imagination is. Him and the defense team realize and recognize that the testimony of this exact witness could be devastating to the prosecution, and then he's trying to kind of poke holes at it. And you know, in Michigan, we can't depose people before testimony, so he's really looking at the prior case. It's kind of like a glorified deposition in a civil case, right? That's kind of how we would look at a prior trial, and maybe he's just trying to poke some holes in it. The fact that, you know, she did testify before that I didn't see her pumping gas anywhere in the vehicle does help the defense, and maybe he's just really trying to bolster it so that in their closing arguments they can say emphatically she had testified before that she didn't see any gas going into anywhere else in the vehicle, but now she's testifying differently here. You saw how irritated she was, how you know how he got under her skin. That's all I can imagine he's trying to do, but that's my take.